Assalamu alaikum viewers. In this video we are going to figure out that what is boiling. So let's dive in the video. Boiling is the process of changing liquid into vapor by application of heat. It is the safest way to purify the water. In this method, water is boiled in fireproof container about 10 to 30 minutes. During boiling, the germs, bacteria and microorganisms present in the water are killed. After boiling, water is allowed to cool and becomes fit to drink. But remember, boiling is costly and is applicable only for household use. So let's boil the water practically. First of all, place the water into fireproof container. Then put it on the stove and burn the stove. After some time, the bubbles begins to appear. It means the water is boiling. After boiling for 15 to 20 minutes, remove the pot from the heat. Allow the water cool. Now water is ready and fit to drink. I hope you find this video knowledgeable. Like and share the video, and if you are new to our channel, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for new notification. Thank you for watching.